I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse, day 2 at EGR Products, along with my good friend Robert, who is going to tell us about these body side moldings that EGR makes for trucks. And I got to tell you, as Robert, I've gone around the last 48 hours and looked at trucks. I don't see any body side moldings.
Yeah, Paul, you know, a lot of these trucks don't come with body side moldings anymore from the factory, and so there's really no protection to protect your vehicle against, you know, anything, a shopping cart or anything that's going to potentially hit the door. And so what we decided to do was come out with these body side moldings. They actually come in a matte black version like this. They're made out of a elastopolyurethane, and they're a reaction injection molded piece. It's a very nice sturdy piece. We actually have real bolts in there that screw in. It's got very short shaft in there, and they're a completely 3M tape-on product, which is really super simple. I mean, I put these on right before the show started, which, you know, obviously looks fantastic. We do try with the matte version of these that we offer. We offer the black bolts, which will match our matte fender flares with the black bolts very well. What we did on these is we offer a replacement bolt kit that you can purchase, which has the silver bolts in it. And so what that's going to do is, and we did that, so we color match these, and we made them match the bolts on these here. But you can also do that yourself and paint them any color you wanted to. The finish works, the prep work's kind of been taken out of it because we've already painted it once, and so it's kind of a simple deal. We may offer these painted at some point in the future next year, but kind of with so many paint programs that we have going now, we're trying to kind of take one step at a time with it, make sure we can handle all the capacity.
Well, that's EGR Products for you, because you look at this F-250 that's next to us. Everything we've talked about, and you can look at all the different videos that are on autopartswarehouse.com from EGR Accessory. Everything works in sync, from the body side moldings to the window visors to the hood shield, and it shows that you really put a lot of thought into all of this.
Yeah, we've definitely tried to create as you know, put together as a package as we can. When we talk about some of these metal products, you'll see kind of how everything sort of starts to flow together again with everything else.
Yeah, we're going to talk about some of those metal products, all of the EGR products, on autopartswarehouse.com, as we're featuring them here at SEMA 2017. I'm Paul Tapier. Stay with us.